How to unlock AT&T iPhone to any carrier. So the very first thing that you want to do before doing this method is to follow all necessary requirements. So the first factor of requirements that you need to follow is make sure that all criteria must be met to unlock an AT&T device, not just an iPhone, but also with Samsung or any Android phones that is directly from AT&T. Your device purchased is going to be at least 60 plus days ago. Now the device needs to be paid in full, and then device not reported or lost or stolen. And then lastly, your account must be current. So if you're a current AT&T customer, your bill cannot be past due. Now once you have compiled all those necessary requirements, all you have to do is just to head straight to att.com/device unlock. Now before you go here, you just have to copy the IMEI number of your phone. Just head straight to your phone settings, general, and then about, and then under IMEI, copy the number and then go back to this website. Now hit on select brand, locate Apple, and then in here just simply paste your IMEI to submit an unlock request. You just have to wait from AT&T's customer support to get back to you once your device has already been unlocked. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to unlock iPhone in any carrier on AT&T.